Well, hey, my lovelies. It's Mary here. I want to talk about your introduction to your video that you're making. Um, I found out today that my 10-second introduction to my video is too long. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. I'm boring you to death. I don't get bored with long introductions. You know, it doesn't bother me, but it seems to bother a lot of people. So I'm just passing on the knowledge that an introduction shouldn't be more than 5 seconds long, if that. They say to bring it right to the point of what you're there for, you know, and to bring you in by telling you what you're going to do. Start the show in under 5 seconds. I'm going to try to do this. I mean, you all don't have to follow the same advice. I'm just letting you know what I heard today. So don't be shocked. I'm going to try to figure this out. As you can see, I have been changing my thumbnails lately. I had advice from my friend Pie Guy. Yeah, I'm talking about you, Pie Guy. He told me a long time ago I needed to work on my thumbnails. You know, I really didn't think about it. It took me all this time just to let it sink in. He was right. He was definitely right. So I'm going to be working on all my older videos and my newer ones and making better thumbnails. Thank you, Pie Guy, for that advice a while back. And I am going to make my intros of my videos shorter. And I'm going to make my ending of my videos shorter. Because I don't want to bore you people to death. I want to show you what I'm doing and entertain you and hope I help you. But I don't want to lose you. So stick around, guys. Stick with me. Please continue to be supportive, and I will continue to be supportive back to you. I'm sure many of you realize that I try to get to all of your streams when I can. Anyways, I love you, and God bless you all, and good luck, YouTubers. We're all still learning. Ciao.